Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to be showing you 4 super quick and easy hairstyles you can do to switch up your look if you're wearing your hair out in its natural state, or if you're wearing your hair in a perm rod set or a flexi rod set. These styles will look really good. So I'm just going to get right into the video and I hope you enjoy. All right, you guys, so that is it. Those are my super quick and easy hairstyles that you can do on your natural hair. You can do on like straight hair too, but on your natural hair, super cute. This one is my favorite. Let me know down below which style is your favorite. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more. And I will see you all next time. Bye.